Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Contingent contracts. A contingent contract is a contract to perform if some event collateral to the contract happened. So the contingent contract is dependent upon happening of the contingent or collateral event. Sometimes it is also referred as conditional contracts by some authors. Example, X agrees to sell a book to his friend Y if Z, whom he lent the book earlier, returns the book to X and agreed by Y. In this case, returning the book by Z to X is the contingent event or collateral to the contract of sale of book by X to Y. In this case, offer sale by X and acceptance purchase by Y is present. The event returning of the book by Z to X is uncertain and contingent. If that event happens, Z returns the book to X. The agreement between X and Y is complete without any further action from X or Y. X must sell the book to Y. If in the above example X offers Y to sell the book which X is supposed to get back from Z, if Y says, okay, I will think about it, in such case there is no contract as there is no specific acceptance by Y. Example, X agrees to sell Y 100 metric ton of rice coming in a ship from Taiwan if the ship reaches safely. The contract is valid if the ship reaches safely, void if the ship sinks on its voyage. In this case, reaching of the ship safely is the contingent event or collateral to the contract of sale of rice by X to Y. In this case, offer, that is sale by X, and acceptance purchase by Y is present. The event arrival of ship safely is uncertain and contingent. If that event happens, ship reaches safely, the agreement between X and Y is complete without any further action from X or Y. X must sell rice to Y. Elements of a contingent contract. The following are essential elements of a valid contingent contract. Performance dependent. Its performance depends upon the happening or non-happening of some event in future. Uncertain event. The event must be uncertain. If the event is bound to happen and so the contract is certain to be performed, it is not a contingent contract. Collateral to and incidental. The event must be collateral to and incidental to the contract. Contracts of insurance, indemnity and guarantee are instances of contingent contract. Example, A in Bombay made contract for sale of some items to be arrived soon from Taiwan by a specific vessel. The vessel sank and A failed to give delivery. B sued for damages for breach. Held the contract was not enforceable as it was contingent on arrival of ship. So B could not claim damages. Example, A in Bombay made contract for sale of some items to be imported from Taiwan to B. The goods did not arrive from Taiwan and A failed to give delivery. B sued for damages for breach. Held the contract was absolute and the obligation of A was not contingent upon the arrival of the goods. So A was liable to pay damages. In this case, there was no condition in the contract itself that he would sell the goods only if the goods from Taiwan arrives by a special vessel. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video. To get more details and free ebook, email us.